In today's video, I'll show you the best Raw Accel settings for Valorant on an 800 DPI. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your DPI settings on your mouse software, and then you want to select 800 DPI right here. From there, you also want to make sure that you're using the 1000 Hz polling rate. From there, head over to the charts option of your Raw Accel. And basically inside this page, click on chart, click on scale by mouse setting, and then you want to put your DPI, which is going to be 800, and the pull rate is going to be 1000, which is 1000 Hertz. Click on rescale by above, and then you want to put the following setting, which is going to be 1. In here, you could just leave it at default, resolution at 0, and lock X and Y on this checkbox. From there, you then want to navigate through your drop-down menu, click on natural, and for decay rate, you want to leave this at 0.1. The input offset is going to be 15, and the limit is going to be 1.5. From there, you can just click on the apply button, and you will have this smooth curve right here going up. It means that we have applied the right setting. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.